Rounds of heavy rain to make their way in still on your Saturday night. We have not seen the rest, or at least the worst of it here in Charleston. That is still to come here. We're going to have widespread creek and stream flooding. Then those rivers start to rise tomorrow, followed by gusty winds. Could be 35 to 40 miles an hour. Power outages, trees starting to come down. That'll be a big problem on Sunday. And then some snow, which will really make things slick and icy heading into President's Day. But southern West Virginia and southeastern Kentucky, they've been hit the hardest. There's been some 2 and 3 inch rainfall estimates. That's led to dangerous flooding here. This moisture is along a warm front, which is gradually going to push its way northward. We're going to start to see the heaviest of that reach us in Charleston here by 8, 9 o'clock tonight, and it's going to continue for a couple of hours. River forecasts are still pretty much in the same area. Not much change at all. Still the chance to hit a moderate flood stage on the Coal River at Tornado Sunday afternoon and evening. The Guyandotte at Branchland at a minor level tomorrow, and also a moderate at the Little Sandy River in Grayson, Kentucky. These river flood warnings have been extended for all 3 locations, and we could be seeing some moderate flooding on the Levisa Fork in Paintsville, Kentucky. Severe weather threat. We're not seeing much of a factor, but we could have some thunderstorms tonight with 40-mile-an-hour gusts or greater, especially as that warm front pushes northward. That could allow for a couple of storms, not only to bring in heavy rain, but also some really gusty winds. So through 8, 9 o'clock, notice that the heaviest area starts to lift northward through the coal fields here. Real bad out by the tri-state as well with heavy rain. Looks like that 2 to 3 inch potential very likely to happen west of Huntington, but we could still be seeing some downpours here in Charleston as well. By about midnight to 1 in the morning, the warm front lifts northward, but then we track that powerful cold front. Comes in 2 waves here. First, a few thunderstorms by 5 in the morning here. Could wake up to a rumble of thunder or 2 and some cloud to ground lightning. The actual front will come through early on Sunday morning. Some downpours, heavy rain, and a transition even to snow. But the bigger problem with that front will be gusty winds. Winds could be 35 to 40 miles an hour. It's a real wet ground. That's going to take down some trees and maybe some power lines as well through the day on Sunday. Notice by the afternoon, a mix of rain and snow and a few snow showers developing. Accumulation is going to be tough because the ground is so moist. But temperatures are falling down into the 30s. Mountain areas are going to be seeing pretty good snow accumulations from this, and a couple heavier bands here just north of town through 9, 10 o'clock on Sunday night and into Monday. So not a major accumulation factor here, according to 1 inch, but whatever is on the ground is going to freeze, and notice anywhere from 3 to 8 inches is possible into those eastern mountains. We have another system on the way next week. Low pressure developing to our south, pushing its way eastward. It's far southward that we have enough cold air here to allow for some accumulations. So snow is going to be likely Wednesday night, and into Thursday. That storm strengthens off of the east coast, and that brings in another strong blast of cold air here. So weather alert day tomorrow, river flooding, big problem, and very cold air as we head through the week.